Welcome to our in-depth overview of the Société Générale Visa Classic card. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this popular credit card. The Société Générale Visa Classic card offers a solid blend of benefits and features tailored for both casual users and seasoned travelers. One of the key advantages of this card is its broad acceptance worldwide, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to make purchases or travel abroad. Additionally, the card typically comes with competitive interest rates and various promotional offers that can save you money over time. However, there are some disadvantages to consider. The card may come with annual fees, which can vary based on your usage and credit history. Additionally, if you tend to carry a balance, the interest rates can add up quickly, making it essential to pay off your balance each month to avoid unnecessary charges. In terms of services, the Société Générale Visa Classic card provides several features, such as online banking access, 24/7 customer service, and the ability to set spending limits for enhanced financial control. It also offers various security features, including fraud monitoring and alerts to protect your account. When it comes to cost, you should be aware of potential fees, including transaction fees for international purchases and cash advances. It's crucial to read the fine print in the terms of service to understand all costs involved fully. In this video, we aim to provide you with a thorough understanding of the Société Générale Visa Classic card, helping you make the best choice for your financial needs. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up for more informative content.